Hi guys, my name's Connor with the Live Gains team, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can review your trades like a professional. So this is all thanks to a coder who has been working on this web page for a little while now. I want to give him all the credit. Um, his info will be below in the credits. Other than that, guys, a similar platform to this would cost hundreds of dollars a month, and this platform's free. So without any further ado, I want to hop right in and show you guys how you can take all of your trades. Doesn't even matter what brokerage you've been using, and you can break them down and see where you're great, where you need work still, and other areas of improvement. So I'm going to start sharing my browser here, and we're going to get right to it. So as you can see here, I'm just on basic Google. I'm going to go to a website called tradeinsights.net. And again, I'll put that link in the description below. But tradeinsights.net. And this is the home page here, guys. First thing you're going to want to do, go right here to free sign up. The sign up's super easy. You put your name, you put your password, your email, and a little other real quick stuff. Put up in your broker. As I said before, it doesn't matter what broker you use. They have a bunch of them. So I personally use Tefs. So I will pick Tefs Trader. A lot of people use Thinkorswim. I believe Robinhood might not be on here. Um, but there are a bunch of the other main brokerages on here. Um, so you do all that. It's really easy. If you want to make your stuff public, if you think you're like really good, you can participate in the leaderboard. Other than that, this login, this registration takes seconds. I'm going to go to my login real quick because I do have an account. And what I'm going to show you how to do is something really cool. So this is my dashboard, and it shows you days I've been profitable, my accuracy for trades, my win-loss ratio, stuff like that. Um, and yeah, cool stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get all this data. So your accuracy on your trades, your ratio of win to loss, what time, what your gain loss looks like on a daily chart, your cumulative P&L on your trading, and then you can look at other things too, like what time you trade best. If you go down to like stats breakdown or time and day stats, I can see here that I trade pretty evenly across the week. I trade a lot in the morning. I do well in the morning. I do worse in the evening. I do very bad on Fridays, so I should kind of watch out for that tomorrow. And all this information is available to you for free. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So you're going to go to Import Trades. You're going to select your broker. I use Tefs. Then it says Upload a file. So when I go to for me, it's tefsec.com is the webpage to access my brokerage. But what we're looking for, or no, I don't think that's actually it. It's going to be mts.tefs.sec. And this is my brokerage login. I'm going to log in there. And then what I want to do is go to trade history. I'm going to pick the dates I want to analyze. For this case, I'm going to choose the entire last year from today's date. You can see here, we're going to see all of my trades, all of my tickets, all of my commissions I've paid to date. And now that we're on the right timeline we want to look at, I'm going to hit download to EXL CSV file. So I click this and I get a CSV file. You can open that. You don't need to open that now. Just know where it downloaded to. If it's your download trade page or wherever. Mine's going to be in my downloads right here. So now I'm going to go back to my other tab, and we're going to go to the Trade Insights tab, and we're going to upload that file we just downloaded, the CSV file. And yeah, it's going to look like a bunch of text, but once you open this up, you'll see that it's right here, right on the top, that it's loaded in, and we're going to hit Next. Now it takes just a couple seconds to get this done, and yeah, now it's all exported. So you can go home or just click on this dashboard link, and now you are going to see all of your data in real time. So as you can see, my accuracy, it doesn't include today. Today's stuff hasn't been finalized on my broker. But tomorrow, if I was to refresh it, I would see everything, including today. So today was green for me, but yesterday was green as well. So you can see my trades went up to 3 consistent days. Um, Yesterday, my uh, P&L went from a 1.36 to a 1.37 to 1 ratio. My accuracy has been pretty similar. You can just see all the information there. So this is a great way to see where you're weak on where you're strong in the week, what days you're great on, what time of day you're great. You can look to improve your weaknesses or only capitalize on your strengths. But either way, guys, tradeinsights.net, free account. You can analyze and break stuff down. Other places you have to pay hundreds a month. So guys, take advantage of this, and more information will be in the links below.